Morning day students, myself Joycey Stephen from Home of Faith English High School. Today I am going to take the subject Algebra for Standard 9th, chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Real Numbers. First we are going to see the topic surds. Surds means if n, that means n is not equal to 1 is a natural number, a is a positive rational number, and nth root of a or a raised to 1 upon n is an irrational number, then nth root of a or a raised to 1 upon n is called a surd. In the surd, nth root of a, the symbol is called as radical sign. N is called the order of the surd and a is called the radicand. Hence, a number will be a surd if it is irrational, it is a root of a positive rational number. Let's do the practice set 2.3. Question number 1. State the order of the surds given below. First question, third root of 7. Here the order is 3, that is n is equal to 3. Next question number 2, 5 square root of 12. Here n is equal to 2, therefore the order is equal to 2. Now question number 2. State which of the following are surds. Justify. Question number 1. Third root of 51. This is a surds because see, the radicands are positive rational number. That means 51 is a positive rational number. Now question number 2. Fourth root of 16. This is not a surds because 16 can be written as 16 raised to 1 upon 4. Now 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. Now these 4 gets cancelled. So we got only the answer 2. Therefore this is not a surds. It is a irrational number. Next question number 3. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. First question, square root of 52. Second one, 5 square root of 13. So see here the radicand. First radicand is 52. Second radicand is 13. So first we have to simplify the 52. By using factorization method, 52. 52 goes on table number 2. So write 2 outside. This 52 goes on table 26 times. Now this 26 goes on table number 2. So now 26 will be how many times? 26 into, that is 13 times. 13 is a prime number. So write 13 outside. So 13 into 1 is equal to 13. So write these numbers. That means 2 into 2 into 13. We have to write it in the square root. So square root of 52 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 13. Here the order is 2. So we have to take 2 numbers as one number outside. So take 2 outside. So we got the answer 2 raised to 13 square root of 13. So see the radicand now. Both the radicand are 13, 13. That's why this is a like surds. Now question number 2. Square root of 68. Then 5 square root of 3. See the radicand. One is 68 and another is 3. So first we have to simplify the 68 by using factorization method. So 68 goes on table number 2. How many times? 68 into, that is 34 times. So write 34. Now this 34 goes on table number 2. So write 2 outside. So 34 how many times into, that is 17 times. So 17 is a prime number. So write 17 outside. How many times 17 in 17? 1 time. So 1. So write 2 to 17 on the square root. So square root of 68 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 17. Now see here the order is 2. So we have to take 1 2 outside. So 2 square root of 17. So see here So first we got the answer is 17 radicand and the second one radicand is 3. So both are different. So this is a unlike surds. Finally, question number 4. Simplify the following surds. Question number 1. Square root of 27. So here we have to use factorization method. So write 27. So 27 goes on table number 3. How many times 27 in 3? 9 times. So this 9 goes on table number 3. So write 3 outside. How many times 9 in 3? 3 times. So now 3 is a prime number. So write 3 outside. How many times 3 in 3? 1 time. So write the numbers which is on the left hand side on the square root. So therefore square root of 3 into 3 into 3. So here the order is 2. So we have to take 2 numbers as one number outside. So that is 3 and only one 3 will be inside the radicand sign. So 3 square root of 3 is the answer. Now question number 2. Square root of 50. So 50 will goes on which table? 2 table. So write 2 outside. How many times 50 into 25 times? This 25 goes on table number 5. So we have to write 5 outside. How many times 25 in 5? 5 times. So write 5 here. 5 is a prime number. So write 5 outside. How many times 5 in 5? 1 time. So write these numbers on the inside the radical sign. That is square root of 2 into 5 into 5. So see here 2 5 are there. So we have to take 1 5 outside. So 5 square root of 2. Question number 5. Compare the following pairs of surds. First one 7 square root of 2 and 5 square root of 3. So see here the radicand are different. So first we have to solve the first one. That is first is 7 square root of 2 and next is 5 square root of 3. So now outside the square root is 7. So write the 7 inside the radicand sign. So here is 1 7 is outside. So when it goes to the radical sign inside, so we have to write it in a 2 times. So that is 7 into 7. So square root of 7 into 7 into 2. And here this 5 will go inside the radicand sign. Therefore square root of 5 into 5 into 3. Here 7 sevens are 49. So 49 twos are 9 twos are 18. So 18 should be write it down and 1 is a carrying. So now multiply the another number, that is 2 4s are 8 and 1 is carrying. So 8 plus 1 9. The answer is 98. And next one is 5 5s are 25. So 25 3s are 5 3s are 50. So write 50. Then 5 should be written as down and 1 is a carrying. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 75. So first answer is square root of 98 and the second one is square root of 75. So now which number is greater? Absolutely 98 is greater than the 75. So that means square root of 98 is greater than the square root of 75. So last 7 square root of 2 is greater than 5 square root of 3. The next one is square root of 247 comma square root of 274. Here see the order is 2. So now look at the radicand. When we have to compare the radicand because the order is same. So first is 247, second is 274. So which one is greater? 274 is greater. So 247 is less than 274. Therefore square root of 247 is less than square root of 274. The next one is simplify. 5 square root of 3 plus 8 square root of 3. Here look at the number before the radicand sign. 5 and 8 is there. So first we have to add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So 13 square root of 13. Then second question, 9 square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 5 plus square root of 125. So we have to simplify the 125 first. So this 125 goes on 5 table. So write 5 outside. How many times 125 in 5? 25 times are there. So write 25. So now 25 will goes on table number 5. So write 5 outside. How many times 25 in 5? 5 times are there. So write 5 here. 5 is a prime number. So write 5 outside. 5 ones are 5. Write these 5 inside the radical sign. So now 9 square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 5 plus square root of 5 into 5 into 5. The next is equal to 9 square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 5 plus here the order is 2. So we have to take two numbers as 1. So that is 5 square root of 5. See here the numbers are 9 minus 4 and 5. So we have to solve first. That is 9 minus 4 plus 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So last the answer is 10 square root of 5. Seventh question, multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. First one, 3 square root of 12 into square root of 18. So first we have to simplify the 12. So 12 goes on table number 2. So write 2 outside. How many times 12 into 6 times? Then 6 will goes on table number 2. So write 2 outside. How many times? 6 on 2. That is 3 times. 3 is a prime number. So write 3 outside. 3 ones are 3. Now write all the numbers inside the radical sign. The next one is 18. So 18 will goes on table number 2. So write 18 outside, 2 outside. 18, how many times 18 in 2? That is 9 times are there. So now this 9 goes on table number 3. How many times? 9 in 3. 3 times are there. So write 3 outside. Now 3 ones are 3. Write all these numbers inside the radical sign. So that is 3 into square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into square root of 2 into 3 into 3. Here the order is 2. So we have to take two numbers as one number outside. So now 3 into 2 square root of 3 into 3 square root of 2. Here first we have to multiply all the numbers and then we have to multiply all the radicands. So that is 3 into 2 into 3. And next one is 3 into 2. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. And next is 3 into 2 is 6. So that is square root of 6. Next one is question number 8. Divide and write the answer in the simplest form. First one is square root of 98 divided by square root of 2. So divide 98 upon 2. How many times 98 in 2? That is 49 times are there. Now square root of 49. So we have to use factorization method to solve the 49. So write 49 inside. So this 49 goes on table number 7. So write 7 outside. How many times 49 in 7? 7 times are there. So take 7 outside. How many times 7 in 7? 1 time. So write this 7 into 7 there. That is square root of 7 into 7. Here the order is 2. So we have to write only 1 7 outside. So next question is rationalize the denominator. First one, 3 upon square root of 5. Here see the denominator number. Here the number is in radical sign. So we have to equalize the radical sign. So first we have to multiply both radical sign, that is square root of 5, on numerator as well as denominator. So 3 upon square root of 5 into square root of 5 upon square root of 5. Here we have to multiply numerator with numerator, that is 3 into square root of 5. And next we have to multiply denominator with the other denominator fraction, that is square root of 5 into square root of 5. See, the next one, see here, we have already we have know that square root of 5 into square root of 5 is equal to 5. When we multiply any two radical sign, so we got only the radicand answer, that is 5 is a radicand, so we got the answer is 5. See here, 3 square root of 5 upon 5. This is the answer of this question. Thank you students. To be continued on the next session.